With due respect to the Constitution of India, I, on behalf of the people of Tuilang area, I'm standing here with Captain Anurod to हमारा मांग जो है, हम उस मांग पर हमने मेमोरेंडम जो दिया है, तो मैं ये स्टोरी को थोड़ा सा दोहराना चाहता हूँ। स्टेट फोर्सेस हो, सब ने अपना अपना भूमिका निभाया है, लेकिन उससे सबसे आगे है हमारा असम राइफल्स, क्योंकि ये असम राइफल्स जो है अभी तक हमने मेमोरेंडम में भी मेंशन किया है कि असम राइफल ने हमारे लिए सेव सो मेनी लाइव्स ऑफ द कुकीजो पीपल एंड देन हेल्प द कुकीजो टू रिटेन देयर विलेजेस इन द हिल्स। तो इसी प्रकार से हमने आज ये मेमोरेंडम सबमिट किया है। तो मैं इस स्टोरी को फिर दोहराना चाहता हूँ। जब से मणिपुर का वो जो क्राइसिस शुरू हुआ है, उस टाइम ऑन द विजिट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री अमित शाह जी, जब वो आए थे मणिपुर में, तो उसने हमको आश्वासन दिया था कि पीस 15 डेज में हम पीस ले आएंगे। तो उसके बाद जब पीस नहीं आया, तो उन्हें मणिपुर को दो भाग में डिवाइड किया, एक हिल और एक वैली। हिल को वो अपने खुद होम मिनिस्ट्री ने देखभाल के लिए उसने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिया, और वैली को सीएम बीरेन को उसने सौंपा दिया। तो उसी से वहाँ से हमने बफर जोन क्रिएट किया है। So there are so many instances that it is a known fact that the state sponsor forces, especially the Arambai Tangols and the Meitei Lupuns, have been very actively with all the looted more than 5,000 guns from the state armory, as well as the ammunitions, have continuously been attacking the Kukizo villages. So many villages have been uprooted, so many churches have been burned, and so many lives have been lost, and now we are totally cut off from the valley, the Imphal Valley. So we have no connection whatsoever, even in politics. Even our 10 MLAs, they have not joined the recently concluded assembly session in Manipur. So this proves that not only that, even the doctors are not posted anymore. The valley doctors are not posted in the hills. The valley teachers are no more here. That's why we are totally, this is an instant that we are totally separated. And now peace may be in social media. There may be peace. It may sound like that there is peace in social media, but that is not true. The attack is continuing, and the government has not recovered the arms which have been looted. And then there is no peace, there is no connection, has not been breached between the hills and the valley. So therefore, we can conclude that there is no peace in Manipur. There is no peace in Manipur. And now, the sinister design lately which has come to remove the Assam rifle is also a plan. It's a plan. We believe it's a plan by the state government to continue their active attack on to ethnic cleanse the Kukizo community in the hills. So therefore, we are here, more than 1,000 women volunteers from the area. We are gathered here with our Kuki chief, Taka chief, Pulhunkahan, and then the secretary, Lalkulun, and then Kuki vice president, Kuki MP, general secretary, KSO, Kuki women union. We have come to appeal to you, sir. Please give our memorandum to our Karthik sir,